In 2021, a giant planet is about to crash into the Earth, and the moon has been torn to pieces by its gravity. What do you think when you see this scene? From then on, people fell into panic, and some people got into the basement and went in and out in large quantities to be replenished. Others pay close attention to the relevant news, but in a flash, the TV signal all over the world will be lost, because the rogue planet is very close to the Earth, and its gravity has caused all the moons to fall into chaos. This includes TV satellites, positioning satellites and communication satellites. You don't have to brush your mobile phone. Not long ago, a submarine in the Pacific Ocean just received a dive order from its superiors. Soon after they went down, their communication system was paralyzed, and they stayed at the bottom of the sea. By mistake, they will become the last hope of mankind. An hour before the impact, the wave star began to shake the Earth, and its gravity pulled the crust, causing frequent earthquakes. These earthquakes are mild at first, but they will spread all over the world, landing, and getting stronger and stronger. 45 minutes before the impact, the wave-shaped ring was about to hit the Earth, because the eastern hemisphere is facing the ring of stars. The eastern cities will be the first to be impacted. For example, the Huangpu River will rush to the shore, under the gravity of wandering planets, and people will find that the night sky is bright and the swirling sun is very bright. This is because the new wave-shaped ring hits the atmosphere, and the particles in the new ring start to explode, burn and shine brightly. However, these particles did not disappear because of burning, but crashed into the ground one after another, which will be the largest star in history. For example, scientists say that it is like a heavy rain, except that every rain that falls is a lot. These huge fireballs burn into the city, and some even explode, causing countless people to hurt us. In fact, it takes only 5 minutes for the Earth to pass through the rings of the waves, but it is a terrible disaster. The Eastern Hemisphere, people in the Western Hemisphere don't know the impact. They can only hear a series of explosions in the air. Impact. 40 minutes ago, the gravitational pull of the waves began to attract the Earth's atmosphere, which made it wind constantly stronger and even turned into supersonic winds. At the same time, earthquakes around the world are still strengthening, and the base of the bridge has been shattered. Typically, people take refuge in buildings when they encounter hurricanes, but now earthquakes will collapse all buildings, and supersonic winds will blow debris everywhere, leaving people nowhere. Once bustling cities are left with only rubble, when other buildings are on the verge of destruction, the pyramids may last longer. However, as the earthquake gets stronger and stronger, it will eventually collapse, leaving only hills,